Kadachit Yamuna Kule. Under a tree on the banks of the holy Yamuna River sat Lord Krishna with the mighty warrior Arjuna. Arjuna said, "O Krishna, with whom do you secretly play in the wonderful forests of eternal pleasure?" Krishna said, "There's no need to tell you. Go see it for yourself." But first, you should go to Goddess Tripurasundari. Without her blessings, I cannot fulfill your wish. Arjuna was elated by Lord Krishna's words. He left to find the goddess's abode. Reaching there, Arjuna saw Goddess Tripurasundari sitting on a jeweled throne, smiling, eager to bless her devotees. I am Arjuna, he said, bowing again and again with folded hands, filled with devotion. The goddess said, "O child, among all devotees, none have been so blessed by Lord Krishna like you have." Then, after Arjuna worshipped and meditated on her, the goddess said, "O child, go now to Lord Krishna's abode." Accompanied by the goddess's attendant, Arjuna left for Lord Krishna's secret abode. Arjuna saw the sacred forest of Vrindavan, the mysterious realm of eternal love and joy. taya kare tasya. The attendant took Arjuna's hand and led him to a pond. She said, "O Arjuna, you should bathe here." By bathing in these waters, your wish will be fulfilled. Hearing this, Arjuna slowly stepped into the pond. Arjuna immersed himself in the water and disappeared. Then Arjuni emerged, giggling sweetly, looking around, bemused. Suddenly, she looked beautiful, young and slender, with fair golden skin, shining like the moon. Arjuni forgot all about her prior male form and just stood there, confused about what to do. Then Arjuni heard the sweet tinkling of anklets worn by several beautiful young women. Priyamuda said, "Who are you? Whose daughter? Whose wife?" Arjuni said, "I don't know, but Goddess Tripurasundari does." Priyamuda said, "That's okay. We are Lord Krishna's dearest girlfriends. O lovely girl, you can join us and play with them." Come with me to the other side of the pond. I will bathe you and give you a powerful mantra to Radha. Arjuni worshipped Radha, sang hymns to her, recited the mantra 100,000 times, and bowed in reverence. Then, the very moment Arjuni bowed, Radha appeared, projected by her own power. She said, "Get up, Arjuni. I will fulfill your wish." Then Radha told Priyamuda, "Take Arjuni's hand and bring her with me." Radha returned to Lord Krishna's sacred presence. Then he said, "Bring Arjuni here." Arjuni stood in front of Lord Krishna, overcome by love. He took Arjuni's hand and led her into the forest. After returning, Sri Krishna instructed Arjuni, who smiled shyly, to be taken to the pond and bathed. Being told to bathe, Arjuni immersed herself in the water. Then she emerged in her prior form as Arjuna. Lord Krishna said, "O Arjuna, you are my dear, beloved friend. No one in the world knows my secret as you do."